Hi, welcome to another section of Small Businesses in Southeast Michigan. I'm here in the classroom with Dr. Sarah Kirsch and Jaclyn Renee, who's a holistic health coach. Hi. Hi, girls. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much for having us. We're honored. Thank you.
So tell me the purpose of the classroom.
The classroom started as a lifestyle wellness classroom to come and learn how to incorporate some of the things that we were teaching one-on-one with patients, but we wanted to be able to reach a larger audience and reach more people from the community at one time. And so to be able to teach them how to meditate, or teach them how to eat healthier, or teach them how to reduce inflammation in their diet or improve their gut health. We wanted to be able to do all of that in one setting with a large group.
So you are a doctor in chiropractic medicine?
Yes, so I'm a chiropractor, but I also have a master's degree in nutrition, and so I've always had an interest in helping people with their diet and their lifestyle, and so I'm also studying functional medicine. I'm sitting for my board exam this fall, so kind of pairing it all together.
And Jaclyn, your background?
Yes, so I'm a holistic health coach. I also am a personal trainer as well. I'm very focused in nutrition and helping clients get to where they need to be with the steps, the tools, right? Because you can learn anything, but then what do you do with it after? So I help coach them to get there.
Wonderful. So tell me a few of the classes that you have, because people out there are watching and they, I'm sure, would like to know what it is that you can offer them and how to help them.
Yeah, so we have everything from meditation to menopause, fertility. We have a lot of gut health, anxiety, which we know is a big topic now, inflammation. We do detoxes also for people that want a quick boost. We have so many different topics.
So you have classes, but you also have individual sessions as well, correct?
Yes, so individual sessions in the clinic where we work one-on-one. We actually both go in with the patients, so we get the opportunity to hear what they're dealing with and what we can do to help them, and we try to meet people where they are. And for the people that are having a hard time affording the one-on-one, the price that comes with that, that's why we have the classroom, because so much of what we said, we felt like we were repeating all of the time, and we felt like if we could, get people into a classroom setting, they would be able to get the same information at a much more affordable cost.
So what roughly is a class session?
So typically our classes will run between $25 and $50, depending on, some of the cooking classes, like we had an Instant Pot workshop and people would get food with the class. They just kind of get to sample everything. So those are a little bit more expensive, but we try to keep the costs around $25, $35.
So how do you register for a class?
So you can do all the registering online. We have everything on our website directly, which is theclassroomberkley.com. And then if you want to follow us on Instagram or Facebook page, we are constantly posting about our upcoming classes.
Yeah, we have a lot of great stuff on the Instagram too, different videos we do. So we'll demo something or show what's coming up. So if you're interested to see, that's an easy way to get what's coming up next.
Yeah.
So thank you again so much for being a part of the Southeast Michigan small business segments that we're doing. And again, please go online, pick up the phone. They're here to help and support our community. Thank you.